Hey man, say man, it's your boy Given back pour un nouveau vidéo. Mouten nou fit la avant commencer CJ. Al tire jodi an and avec quelques partenaires. C'est Sterling et puis tout frère. Yeah. Wal tire la nou fait belle expérience. Belle expérience mais tout. Alman exam première fois.
Cargo pants, like
Look,
crazy
and
shit.
suivre avec them van dans na valley.
I mean, they're all different.
Oh, that's crazy.
I try. Well, next time. Okay.
I'm about shooting.
Who's she? All for y'all? Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
And then,
Oh. Nyom la wala. Emo sa di yon business now. Di yon business now, zi. Yeah, but you deal. Like branches sou mwen vi. Allah. Ase healthy. Guys, say healthy, man. Guys, say
you know how to work this one?
Premye experience, man. That's it.
09. Yeah. It's about the
It's
same.
Tuesday.
AR-9 fully automatic. This is safe.
So now, if you I don't say like.
There's semi-automatic single shot.
What's that?
All the way back.
Let's see, lim da bro.
Yeah. And there's automatic release. All the way.
Lim setting ba bro. Sa lim.
Semi-automatic one shot, and then fully auto all the way back.
Mwen vè douze la, vè douze avè mbe. Mwen me zam. Me lo gen, nan zan wè di so, gen story ou sa. Zan ba fè gangster. Tade iti me shik, zan ba fè no gangster.
Oh,
Mwen m just me zam, api. Zam machine like. So mba da ten de. Ba tade sa wè. Ba tade sa wè.
Come on in, my friend. Jump on in, the water's fine. What's good with you?
number.
All done? Why'd you guys take? Oh, the 460. Yeah, that thing's a candy. Yeah, that was that thing is loud. Yeah. And again, everything's gonna be louder indoors, and especially if you end up shooting it near the walls, it just magnifies the echo. To set your target forward and back, it's going to be that red toggle switch on your top left corner. Backwards will send it forward. There you go. Oh. Yep, put it to the middle to get it to stop. There you go. How you like that, man? Take your time. The slower you squeeze, the more straight your boat's going to go. That's
What's gas speed?
That's why if you're aiming in one spot, but your boat's going low, because right as you're about to squeeze, you're doing down. You're tipping the gun down when you're hot. That's why you're using squeeze. Put the red dot on the target. Put the red dot on the target. There you go. Using the right eye. You gotta use your bring your face forward. Close. There you go. You see it now? Yeah. There we go, Papa. Go get some. skating. We also got to make sure your sight alignment is good. So like I said, it looks like you're still shooting a little high.
It's cool.
You know what I'm trying to say? So it looks like you're going here, but you got to do this. You got to drop it. Drop it just a little.
Yo, gade no bon punya.
With my eyesight, it like focuses in on this dot. Okay, so I look at the dot and then
Make sure you're looking at that target. Make sure they're aligning properly.
Oh, gâte plusieurs graines. Mais, il y a une là, monsieur Tekataï, Bozo, et monsieur Tapchiré. Mais, reste ça, bientôt. Et bah, comment va passer? On est passé. L'autre petit gars, il fait mon fait comme ça.
Oui, fait.
Vous voulez que ça plus facile?
Oui, ça plus facile.
Oh, allez là, donc là.
Drop it, and then it's like,
Alright.
you're gonna do one of these at 5. Close your left eye and aim with your right eye. Have you been both eyes open? Closing your left eye. It's just Jim, set it down. I'm gonna unjam it for you. You're like, you're trying to do headshots. You're trying to go, see that's why I'm trouble lighting those sights. Because it's like,
Ça va bientôt. Ça va tout ça, est-ce que vous voulez?
Plan serré. Mati plaisir, mais la pile, la petite au mauvais.
one of these and practice.
Na foi, na palette.
Right, down, up,
Na
down.
crâne.
And do it all the way around. So
Ah non,
va, c'est
dernier moment, barater ou non?
Lap comme si les gros amis. Yeah, yo. Crazy shit. Comme bin na pi souvent. Les gars fait meilleur point. Mba vin na pi, ba fait comme ça. Ba pon tirer. C'est bon tirer like. Moi mais zam. I'm against the shit no as I know. Just when zam abi. Lama di sanap tel na abi. Boleh pi no nek lama di sanap tel na abi. Ku ba pi. C'est pas pi. Ou te faire gratis. Visite. Dap tout si ou live ou tout live. Tout la code.
You're good to go. One door at a time.
Tout ba prison frère. Que match là? Tout ba prison frère. Tout meto. Ça m'a fait ça m'a fait ça avec blanc ça. Ça belle la ville. Yo, depuis que je fais un vlog là, merci qu'il a pour un nouveau vlog. It's boy given. Bye.